ProtopFin is a digital lending platform available on the Google Play Store. It claims to offer instant personal loans without requiring income proof or extensive documentation. The app connects users to Jet Services, a registered non-banking financial company, NBFC, in India. User experiences and concerns. While the app promises quick loans, numerous users have reported concerning experiences, unsolicited loan disbursals. Some users reported receiving loan amounts without applying, followed by demands for repayment with high interest. Harassment and threats. There are allegations of users being harassed with threats from international numbers after declining unsolicited loans. Lack of transparency. Users have expressed concerns over unclear terms and conditions, especially regarding repayment amounts and interest rates. Regulatory and safety concerns. Although ProtopFin connects users to a registered NBFC, the app itself is not directly regulated by financial authorities. This lack of direct oversight raises questions about its operations and user protections. Pros and cons. Pros: quick loan disbursal. Minimal documentation required. Cons: reports of unsolicited loan disbursals. Allegations of harassment and threats. Lack of transparency in terms and conditions. Not directly regulated by financial authorities. Is ProtopFin worth using? Given the reported user experiences and the lack of direct regulatory oversight, potential users should exercise caution when considering ProtopFin. It's advisable to explore alternative lending platforms that are transparent, well-regulated, and have positive user feedback. Final thoughts. While ProtopFin offers quick loans with minimal documentation, the concerns raised by users suggest that it may not be a reliable or safe option. Always conduct thorough research and consider using platforms that are transparent and regulated to ensure the safety of your financial information and well-being.